Welcome to Semzosan Digital Hub, where you will find in-depth tutorials and practical knowledge.
I recorded, Claude edited. That's it. That's the whole workflow. 3 hours of my work. Done in 3 minutes. I didn't touch a single transition. Here's how. My name is Semzosan, and today I am walking you through my entire AI video editing workflow. I used to spend 3 to 6 hours editing a single video, or I would pay an editor hundreds of dollars. Now, Claude Code manages the entire process. I simply describe how I want the video structured. It takes care of everything, from raw footage to finished export. No manual scrubbing through clips, no looking for bad takes, no repeating the same edits I have done on the last 10 videos. Once you set this workflow up, it stays consistent. Every single video, same quality, without the hours of work. So in this video, I will show you the full setup, every tool involved, and how to build this workflow on your own computer. All right, let's get started. First step, once I have filmed a video, I head over to a tool called Descript. This is the one tool outside of Claude Code that I use. And the easiest way to explain it, editing on Descript is like editing a Word document. I am not manually cutting anything myself. Why don't I do this directly through Claude Code? Because no matter how good my prompt is, there are always little things I need to check. Repeated sentences. Stuff getting cut out. It's not perfect, but it does a pretty good job. I just like to verify everything I am saying. Make sure it's accurate. So I attach my MP4 to Descript. Once I have done that, I go to Browse More Templates. Click All Templates. Then Created by Me. I have created my own template. For cutting YouTube videos, all it does, removes duplicate sentences, keeps the correct one, fixes up the entire video. I hit Use Template. It loads into the editor. My video gets processed. Descript is cloud-based. You have to upload the video. Processing happens in Descript. The prompt template I use, incredibly basic. It just says, please remove all repeating sentences. Usually, the last repeated sentence is the correct one. This does a pretty good job. Gets rid of all the junk, where I have repeated a sentence multiple times, trying to get a good take. The most time spent waiting for the video to upload, especially if it's high quality. This can be a 3 GB file. Once it's uploaded, the transcription uploads too. The prompt has already been applied. Cuts have been made. On the left-hand side, that's all the script. I can scroll through, read the entire script. If I click on certain parts, it jumps to that part of the video. That's how Descript works. We don't want to spend too much time here. We want to get out as quickly as possible. I just read through the script. Make sure it's exactly what it should be. If I want to remove something, select it, hit delete. It literally deletes that part of the video. If I want to add something, I can copy parts, duplicate them. Now, I jump over to the AI tools on the right-hand side, go down to shorten word gaps. I find all gaps that are more than 0.2 seconds. Shorten them back down to 0.2 seconds. I don't want big gaps between multiple takes. Now the video is much more edited. All I need to do, watch the video, review it, make sure it's good to go. If anything needs changing, delete. Or add sections back in. That's it. Before jumping into the editing stage, I like to add music myself. I use Epidemic Sound. The music doesn't get copyrighted. You can use anything. YouTube audio library is free. I download the music, add it into Descript, then export the video locally to my computer. Now I jump into Claude Code. Now I am in Claude Code, the desktop app. This is where I have been doing all my video editing. The most important tool here, Remotion. Remotion lets us do video editing through code. Graphics, text, elements, animations. We can prompt a video into existence. Have it fully edited onto our footage. Remotion comes with a timeline. You see it in a minute. Rendering animations, creating them, putting them on a timeline, understanding the video contextually. This is a big part of the system. How to set it up? Incredibly easy. Just tell Claude Code install Remotion for me. It figures everything out. You don't need to be technical. You don't have to do any install commands yourself. Just tell it to install. It does it. Here's the entire process. Number 1, Remotion for creating videos with animations. Number 2, FFmpeg for extracting audio from video files. When I upload the video, it extracts the audio. Then it uses OpenAI Whisper API to transcribe that audio into a transcript with timestamps. So I can use that, give it to Remotion to create graphics and animations relevant to the video at the right parts of the video. Number 3, it maps all the graphics from the transcriptions to where they should be in the video. Number 4, it builds the video using React and TypeScript. That's what Remotion uses for graphics and animations. Number 5, preview in Remotion Studio. We get a timeline to view the entire video. Number 6, render the video. Have it locally on your computer, ready to upload to YouTube. Pretty straightforward once you understand it. If you have questions, just ask Claude Code.
Now I simply say to Claude Code, here's a new long form video. Can you please edit this? Claude gives me all the steps it's going to take, what graphics it will create, where they will go. I say, looks good, and it goes to work. It creates all the graphics for all those components. Then at the bottom, the studio is running, ready for preview. The Claude desktop app has a preview window. I can click into it, see the Remotion editor. This is where I can look through the entire video. All the blue elements on the timeline, those are individual graphics, decided and created by Claude, placed throughout the video. I can play the video, see the animations, text-based animations, graphics, comparison charts, based on the content it was talking about. Some things might need updating, maybe shrink the text to fit nicer. But this does literally the entire video. I don't have to do anything manually. I could publish this right away if I wanted to. That's my entire AI video editing process. If I want changes, I just ask Claude. It has access to everything. It makes the changes for me. You can get these graphics in a much more unique style. I have done some work to make my editing style different, but this is the foundation. Now let me show you 2 extra free tools for beginners who want something simpler. First, it access free AI features. Go to CapCut.com. Sign up with Google. Completely free. No credit card. No access to your files. CapCut has auto captions. One click. Subtitles appear instantly. Auto background removal. No green screen needed. Text to speech. Multiple free voices. An AI video enhancer. Improves quality automatically. Perfect for beginners who don't want to set up Remotion. Second, Opus Clip. Go to opus.pro, sign up with Google. Free tier available. Opus Clip takes your long video and automatically creates short clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels. It finds the best moments, adds captions, adds viral zooms. All automatically. You just upload your video, it does the rest. Perfect for repurposing content and completely free to start. Quick summary for you. Use Descript plus Claude Code plus Remotion for full long-form video editing. Use CapCut AI for quick edits, captions, and text-to-speech. Use Opus Clip for turning long videos into viral shorts. All have free tiers. All only need a Google sign-up. None ask for access to your gallery, your files, your contacts, and that's it. That's how I edit entire videos using AI. Descript cuts the raw footage. Claude Code and Remotion handle the graphics and animations. CapCut AI and Opus Clip, free alternatives for beginners. You don't need to spend hours editing anymore. You don't need to pay editors hundreds of dollars. You just need the right tools and a few good prompts. Try this workflow today. See the difference for yourself. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, share it with a fellow creator who needs to save time. I will see you in the next one. Peace.